Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, peace. Let's check out the M66 today. This is a remote control quadcopter with a camera and a screen. Has obstacle avoidance, HD camera, optical flow positioning, modular battery, a remote control screen, which I already told you, and highlight, which means you can turn on the lights and you can change them different colors, I imagine. I don't know, maybe not on this one. But let's get into it, see what we got. M66 Max, I believe is what they're calling it. Let me get the carrying case, some spare props. SD card comes with it, and a card reader, SD card reader, USB. You get one battery, the drone, the folding camera drone with obstacle avoidance up here, OAS, a nice big battery, modular battery with the USB-C charging port. It is 3.7 volt. Or 3.7 volts at 3000 milliamp hours. Let's plug that in till it clicks. Alright. I'll go ahead and turn on the drone. Just like so. I don't even think I had to long press it. Just a quick press there. Turn on the power on the remote here, or over here on the side, I guess. Let that do its thing. It auto binds, so that's nice and easy. Yeah, that's a cool drone. Okay, yeah, on this one I do think you can change the light colors. I'm sorry, I test a lot of drones, guys. Bear with me, please. Here we go. Okay, so you got nice folding blades, very cool. Brushless motors. There's what you're seeing. There's some latency there, a little bit. Okay, the remote control takes a TF card here on the side, or micro SD, whatever you want to call it. Okay, we got our speed. Looks like our speed up here. Auto takeoff and land. The light setting there. Looks like circle flight, 360 flight, and then like a generic return to home, I believe. We can try that, see what happens. Alright, let's get it up in there and see what it can do. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're all doing well. Down into the middle, I believe. Nope, just straight up on the stick. And down to stop it. Straight up to start it. Then up again to take off. There we go. Well, that's smooth. Let's see if I can get it to still got red leading lights and red tail lights. I'll walk around it here and get you guys a good visual. Blue headlights, a cool camera there, and you can move the camera up and down. Trying to find the buttons here. Let's see. Right here. Right here. Maybe not. I should have read into. Oh, there it is on the side. I'm sorry, guys. So you can move the camera down and then up. Alright. So you always can spin. Got reverse. Forward. Sideward flight, left and right, and you have up and down over here. Your sideward flights here to this sideways, to the right and to the left, and then up is forward, down is backward. Over here to the left spins you. Let's go back forward, get me back in here. Yep. The left stick spins you left and right and up and down, so you can change your altitude. All right, here we go. Let's get her up a little ways and try some 360 flips. This is not a GPS drone, so here we go. 360 flip. Oh, very cool. Let's try one more, and I'll get some pictures and video real quick so we can test the camera. Nice back flip there. All right, let's bring her down just a fuzz and try some 360 flips. It's supposed to have a 360 flip function. Let me find it. There it is. Oh, what do you know? It can do the flips, guys. There's forward. And flip to the right. Alright, flip all directions. Very cool. Well, it seems to be doing what it says. Okay. Get a little altitude and I'll take a little picture and some video. Share that with you up on the screen somewhere. So I could need to adjust my trim. It's going forward. I need to get at a higher speed too. Starting to get carried away a little bit. Alright, let me get a quick snapshot. See if I can't try to hold it still a little bit. Trying to see if I can start the video here. Maybe have to long press. Oh, I think I lost signal. I don't have very good signal range on the camera. That's a shame. It's a cool drone. See how it's optical flow sensor will lock in on it. And now it's drifting around a little bit. Yeah, there we go. That seems to be pretty stable. Steady. Alright, that's cool. It didn't really make a noise, so I'm not sure if I got a picture or not, or it didn't really give me a sign. So I'm gonna try one more. There we go. I guess I did see a symbol that time. When you hit the picture, you can see a symbol there in the middle of the camera. Let's try video again. There we go. I was just out of range. That's what it was. So just be aware, it does have a range limit. It's probably about 100 feet on the Wi-Fi transmission. At least on this particular one. Alright guys, there you have it. See, I'm not doing anything. Taking a little video there. I'll go ahead and stop the video. Spin it, maybe take another snapshot of the road. There we go. Alright, let's do a couple more flips and I'm going to land it and we'll end this video. Or wait, let's come back down here a little bit. Let me show you the lights. You can change the lights with the light button here. If you can see this. I'll just press that. See how you can change through the light colors? I hope you can see that. Let me lower it just a little bit. There's quite a few to choose from, which makes this a cool night flyer. That's what I'm going to use it for. I didn't buy it for a camera drone. I figured it would be kind of weak at the price. But man, other than that, the drone's smooth flyer. Fun to fly. I bet we're looking at probably like 780p on the camera quality, or maybe less, I'm not sure. I could be wrong. We'll find out. All right, let's do a couple more flips. Hit the 360 button here, and then the joystick, whichever direction you want to go. Very cool. Let me get one a little closer here. Nice. But what a good, fun flying drone. It's a legit product. It all works as it's supposed to, I think. I'm not sure what they're claiming on the range for the camera. That was a little weak, in my opinion. That would be one of the cons. Pros is it flies smooth. Right now it's drifting to the right, so I'm not sure what's going on there. I don't believe that's from the wind. Probably don't have anything to lock on out here. There we go. Yeah, just be aware of that. If you don't have a good lock on the optical flow, it will drift a little. But there, it's locked on the edge of that landing pad, so it's holding its own. Very cool. I like it. Couple cons, but a lot of pros. All right, let's go ahead and try an auto land. Since we're here, I'll probably miss the pad, but we'll give it a shot. Oh, hey, I almost got it. I got a good chunk of it. All right, guys, there you have it, the M66 Max. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Bye. Peace.